Do you want to help your teams connect their daily activities to financial impacts and ROI? My name is Ravi Verma. I am an executive and systems coach for tech companies, and I'm on a mission to disrupt the needless destruction of human potential in the tech industry, especially in the name of transformation. Here's one way you can do it. Many times, tech companies have product teams who have a worker bee mindset. They are really busy, but at the end of all this busyness, executives are unhappy because it does not generate value and ROI. This short video will help you help your teams transition from a worker bee mindset to a value creation mindset. Here's a simple approach. This is an enhanced logic model. Have your teams start with the company purpose or mission and their product vision. Have them fill out the context inside of which your company and product exist. Tell them what are the financial impacts you want the product to help the company achieve. It could be increase in profit, revenue, EBITDA, decrease in your costs, or increase in your valuation, or something else. Now start thinking about how your product must make life better for your customers and users. How will they save time, save money, maybe improve their health, improve their outcomes, experience more joy in their lives? Now, what kind of features and releases have to be deployed to production to the market so your customers experience these desirable outcomes? What kind of development activities do your product teams need to engage in to release these features to the market? And what kind of resources are your product development teams going to need so that they can engage in these activities? Talk to your CFO and find out what kind of return of investment the product must create so that the business is viable. If you want a fillable canvas, contact me. This is not my work. I stand on the shoulders of many giants. Attribution is important, so I will be sharing all of the reference works that I have used. If this was useful, follow me on LinkedIn. If I can help you, contact me. Thank you, and bye-bye.